Hey guys, it's CCG. Ben and I are outside and watering the garden. We thought it was going to rain because we heard all the thunder and lightning, but nothing happened. And we just put some new plants in the garden. So we watered everything. So he's just finishing up outside, and yeah. But I don't. This happened to me the day before. Um, I thought it was going to rain. Here goes the rumbling noises and nothing. So we were like, no, we're gonna come out here and we're gonna water everything.